Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can start your own Add Your Trend on Instagram story by creating the template. So here, I've already on my Instagram and I'm going to just click on the Your Story here to start creating the story. Okay, and in here, just select a photo or video first. Okay, so I've already choose a photo. Then click on the sticker icon at the top of this Instagram story page. Scroll down and here you can see there is an add yours template. This one, just click on add yours. Here, just write a prompt. So for example, here I'm going to just post your favorite trip, for example. Okay, so people can see stories added to the stickers and your story will only be visible to your followers. Click on done. Here adjust where you want to put the sticker, for example in here. And after that, just click on your story here or close friend to create the add your trend. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and also click on thanks. Bye.